I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Slides and picking the presentation you need. Once open, select the specific slide you want to change. Make sure you can see the canvas and the slide thumbnails. If you need multiple edits across slides, hold Ctrl or Command and click to multi-select slides. Now click any text box or image to enter edit mode. This first step moves you from setup to action, so you can immediately change text, replace images, or adjust layouts without extra clicks. Once you're inside a slide, focus on content and layout changes. You edit text by double-clicking and using the toolbar to set font, size, color, and spacing so your message reads clearly. For visuals, insert images via Insert Image or drag files in from Drive. Make sure to crop and use the mask tool for consistent shapes. Then use Arrange to align, distribute, rotate, and layer elements. This ensures visual balance and keeps important items on top when you want them visible. You finish by polishing global styles and sharing. First, adjust the master to standardize fonts and placeholders so future edits stay consistent. Then use file version history to name versions and share with specific permissions, commenter, or editor, so collaborators can help without breaking design. Export your deck via file download as PDF or PPTX, or hit present to deliver live. If something goes wrong, check version history and revert a recent change. That single tip often undoes accidental edits quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.